Okay, so now we will start with our second typographic animation. Let's create a new composition. We will call it as main animation. Width is 1920, height is 180, frame rate is 30, and duration is 1 minute long. And background color is white color. And simply hit OK. Then go to choose grid and guide option and simply hit on title section over here. And now we are going to choose our text tool over here, and we will type our text. I'm going to type motion. Okay, first of all select white color for the text and then type text graphics. Select this text, hit Ctrl C to copy, hit tab button 2 to 3 times and hit Ctrl V. Okay, then select the spread text, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Now select my ellipse tool, and by holding shift I'm going to create one ellipse like this. Okay, like that. Select this layer, go to the text options, go to the path options and choose mask 1, so it will automatically come over here, and enable this reverse path, so you will get something like this. Go to the character menu and increase the font size somewhere around like this. Let's make this 50, or let's say 49.5, or let's see. Okay, this looks good. So this is how we will get our text. Let's decrease the font size and let's see how we will get. I think there is a little bit less distance between this, so let's adjust that. Okay, and now we will increase the font size. Okay, this looks good. Now selecting ellipse tool and let's delete this fill, we don't need that, and we are going to choose red color just for now, and by holding shift I'm going to create one ellipse and select this, press Ctrl Alt Home to align that anchor point to the center. Select this text layer over here, also press Ctrl Alt Home, go to the align tab, align it horizontally and then align it vertically. Select the shape layer, align it horizontally and then align it vertically, and bring this backward. Press S and increase the size so it will go beyond this, behind this, and let's increase the stroke width a little bit like this. Let's make this 129, or I think 131, like this. Now select this text layer, go to the character menu and choose black color. Select this shape layer and choose uh, select this text layer, choose black color and select this shape layer and choose white color. Okay, like this. Select both of this and press Ctrl Shift C and hit OK. Go inside this, select this layer and make it apparent with this shape layer. Select this shape layer, press R for rotation, create one keyframe, zoom in a little bit. Let's go to around 1.20 frames and let's rotate it like this, and then go somewhere around over here and copy the first keyframe. Select those keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor, select this graph. By holding shift, move one handle over here and move one handle over here. So if you see, you will get this kind of animation like this. Okay, let's do one thing. We will go few frames forward, or let's say 20. I'll copy this keyframe, hit Ctrl C, Ctrl V like this. Let's move this over here. Select those keyframes and hit F9. Go to the graph editor. We will select this graph